How to speed up Windows 11 and improve performance. Restart and update your PC. Go to Windows Update in the settings. Now click Uncheck for updates. It will automatically download and install all the updates if available. Disable Startup Programs, Apps. Open the Task Manager. Navigate to Startup Apps. Now click on an app and disable it. Turn on Power Saving Mode. Go to Power and Battery in the System settings. Now expand Battery Saver and turn on it. Defragment hard disk. Select the hard disk and click on Optimize. Disable restartable apps. Go to Sign In option in Account Settings. Scroll down and turn off Automatically Save My Restartable Apps and restart them when I sign back in. Uninstall unwanted software. Right-click on an application and click on Uninstall. Delete temporary files. Press Windows plus R to open Run and type %temp% and press Enter. Now select All and delete all files. Turn on Storage Sense. Go to Storage in System Settings. Now turn on Storage Sense. Disable animations and visual effects. Go to Visual Effects in Accessibility settings. Now turn off transparency effects and animation effects. Now go to Personalization. Click on Colors. Turn off transparency effects. Disable notifications. Go to Notifications in System Settings. Now scroll down and turn off these all options in the additional settings. Disable background apps. Go to Installed Apps in App Settings. And go to the Advanced options. Now, select Never in Background Apps Permissions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.